Guys, welcome back. Cute Crafties right here, and sorry for the late upload video. So in my today's video I'm going to show you how to make an easy homemade glue with just 4 ingredients. So the first ingredient you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of refined wheat flour, also known as maida, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, गेहूं का आटा, 2 tablespoons of water and some bit of color. Half teaspoon water with a little bit of red color. You can choose any color. So let's get started. So first, take a mixing bowl and your mixing spoon and add the maida, refined wheat flour, and guys, remember, when you make this glue, use it within 2 days. Okay, then add your wheat flour, after that, give your wheat flour and your refined wheat flour a good mix. After mixing, first add your color. And then your water. Add the water gradually. And then mix. And guys, if you require a little bit more water, so use it. So guys, in here I took a little bit more of water, so I'm going to add that water. So in here some red color is left, so I'm going to add that water in this color and mix it and put it in here. Then give your paste a good mix. So guys, gradually add your water, left of the water, and make it very smooth so that it becomes glue. So let's do it. Okay guys, so in here, after I added the water, gradually it became in a smooth paste and very nice and light pink color, which I love. And guys, your glue is ready. So let's try it. Okay guys, so in here I have a small piece of paper. And then I'm going to take this and stick it up. Just add a little bit of it. Then I'm going to fold it. Okay guys, let your glue dry for a while, and after drying you will get something like this. Okay guys, now my glue is dried. So let's check it. Guys, it's a successful mission. So this worked, isn't it guys? So now this was our first homemade craft. So let's move on to our second one. For that, the materials you are going to need are about 1 tablespoon of glue. So in here you can take more than 1 tablespoon or less than 1 tablespoon. Again, half teaspoon of water and again half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So let's get started. First, in your glue, gradually add your water and take a mixing spoon and mix your glue with your water. After mixing, slowly add your turmeric powder. Oh guys, I didn't tell you the title for this craft. It is how to make an easy paint without anything. Okay guys, without anything means without paint. So after adding your turmeric powder, give your glue as well as a turmeric powder a good mix. Okay guys, after mixing you will get something like this. And now in here add the rest of your water as well as a tiny bit of turmeric powder. Let's mix it. Okay guys, and now your paint is ready. And now let's try it. In here I have some paper. Let's try it. Let it dry. Okay guys, it's dried. I can show you. See guys, nothing's here. Just want to eat it. See guys, nothing's here. I hope you like both of the crafts, and I also hope you like my video. And if you do, so please don't forget to give it a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, and also please don't forget to leave a comment, and also hit the notification bell to get all the post notifications whenever I post a video. Bye. And before telling bye, please do subscribe to my channel and bring my channel to 1 lakh subscribers very soon. Bye. Tin 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 tan tan la 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 la.